Hey everyone. Lately, many of my office colleagues have been asking how to extract their Outlook calendar into an Excel file, paste it into a provided template, and bulk upload it into the productivity database portal. So in this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to export your calendar from Microsoft Outlook, format it correctly, and get it uploaded efficiently. Let's dive in. First, after we open the Microsoft Outlook on the computer, go to the File tab at the top left corner and click on Open and Export. From there, select Import, Export. A pop-up window called the Import and Export wizard will appear. Choose Export to a file and click Next. Since our purpose is to extract into Excel file and bulk upload into a portal, select comma-separated values, CSV. Then click Next to proceed. You'll see a list of folders. For my scenario, my calendar would be located under folder named after my email address. Then, click Next. Now, to choose where to save the exported file, click Browse. Pick a location that's easy to find, like your desktop. Type your choice of file name that is easy to search. Once typed the file name, click Next. Click Map Custom Fields as you will focus on relevant fields to export. For this scenario, we will only require the one named subject, start date, start time, end date, and end time. We click Clear Map button to remove all fields listed on the To section and pick up back the 5 fields mentioned earlier in the From section into the To section. In my Outlook version, I can drag the fields. Once done, click OK. Click Finish and Outlook will ask range of date for the appointments to be downloaded. The format of the date will be day, month, and year. Click OK to begin exporting our calendar. This process may take a few seconds. Once it's done, navigate to the folder where you saved the file and open it to check if everything is there. Since we selected CSV, we can open it with Excel to view the calendar data. And that's it. We've successfully exported our Outlook calendar.